Alright, let's get straight to it. Is Audrey and Lily a total scam in 2026? I did a deep dive, combed through the latest consumer reports, and here's what you need to know. First off, the warning signs are everywhere. Tons of shoppers say the clothes they got look nothing like the website photos. Think high fashion on the screen, dollar store quality in your mailbox. People describe the material as scratchy polyester, not the soft natural fabrics advertised. And sizing? More like a guessing game. Some even said their clothes were literally toy-sized. And don't even get me started on shipping. Orders are taking over a month to show up, if they show up at all. And if you want to return something, well, be ready to pay expensive international shipping back to Asia, sometimes costing more than the item itself. Worst part? Customer support is basically non-existent. Emails go unanswered, and if you try commenting on their social media, odds are your feedback's getting deleted. So, is Audrey and Lily legit? Honestly, all signs point to stay far, far away. This has all the hallmarks of a high-risk, borderline scam site. But hey, you've got options. If you love the style but want to avoid the drama, check out with Audrey, an Aussie boutique with a real return policy and actual customer support. Pink Lily's another solid pick. BBB accredited, and transparency is their thing. Or, if you're into something unique, All About Audrey does amazing reimagined sari pieces, and their reviews are glowing. Here's my pro tip. Before buying from any news site, Google store name plus Trustpilot. No reviews? Lots of one-stars about stolen photos or shipping from China? Just skip it and save yourself the headache. That's it for this fast review. Stay savvy out there and let's shop smart.